In front of me is an iPad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll again to click on Manage All under Notifications section. And finally, using blue switches next to your apps, block all notifications from them. To turn them back on, click on the same now gray switches. If you want to, you can also go back. Select one of your apps over here by clicking on it and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!